In this video, we will learn how to create a new database in XAMPP MySQL. Let us start. First, we will install XAMPP, then we will create a new database. First, go to the web browser. On Google, type XAMPP and hit enter. On hitting enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. ApacheFriends.org. Here directly the download button is visible for Windows. So click here. Now the download started. Let's wait. If it won't start, you need to click here. Okay. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Click next. XAMPP will install server as well as the programming languages, with that MySQL as well. It will install Apache server as well and phpMyAdmin. So we'll see it later. Click next. XAMPP will get installed in the following location. Click next. It will get installed in English, which is fine for us. Click next. Ready to install. Click next. Now XAMPP will get installed. We have installed XAMPP. Let us click finish. It will automatically start the control panel. Guys, we successfully installed XAMPP and we also started with the control panel. If you want to start with the control panel later on, you can directly go here and click here, or you can also go to start and type XAMPP control panel so that you can open it by clicking open here. We have started with the control panel. Let us start with the Apache server and the MySQL database. Click allow. If there is no error, that means both of them started successfully. Now let us go to the web browser. Here type localhost, and after typing localhost, XAMPP is visible. That means we successfully installed it. Here click phpMyAdmin. We are planning to create a new database. So now here click new. Add the database name. Let's say my database name is Amit. So I'll click create. We have created the database. It's visible here. You can add tables in it. Let's say we can add the table name as students. Number of column, let's say 4. Okay. I have clicked create. Now add the fields. So first would be student ID, and we can set it as int, and okay, click go. Now we can add a student name, which will be text, student marks, which will be an int, and the fourth one, student batch. Let's say it is varchar. Okay, rest keep it as it is and click save. Okay, we need to also add the length. Student ID 5, student name 20, student marks, let's say I'll set it to 3 and the batch to 20. I'll click save. We have created a new table and the table is visible here with the entire structure. Okay. So in this way, guys, we can create a new database. That is, we created a Amit database, and within that we added a table students. You can add multiple tables also. Okay, this is a table, and right now we did not added any records, so it is visible as empty, and this is the command. If you want to import a database, let's say you already have a database, you need to just click here. Remember, your database should be in .zip format. Choose file, and here you need to add your sql.zip file database to import. That's it. Guys, for a free XAMPP and MySQL tutorial, refer to the links in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.